In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the WordPress database error, specifically the error establishing a database connection message. This is one of the most common WordPress errors, and the good news is it's usually very easy to fix. I'll walk you step by step through checking your database credentials, repairing your database, and making sure your site is secure afterward. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the final security step. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check your database credentials inside your wp-config.php file. Incorrect database details are the #1 cause of this error. To do this, log into your hosting account or open your file manager in cpanel, or use an FTP client if that's what you prefer. Then navigate to the root folder of your WordPress installation. This is usually called public_HTML or named after your domain. Inside that folder, find the file called wp-config.php and open it for editing. Now look for the database settings. You'll see lines that define your database name, database user, database password, and database host. Carefully compare these values with the ones listed in your hosting control panel under MySQL databases. Make sure the database name, username, and password match exactly. Even a small typo can cause the database connection error. If you recently changed your hosting password or migrated your site, this is especially important. Correct any incorrect details, save the file, and then refresh your website to see if the issue is resolved. In some cases, the error may also be caused by a faulty plugin or theme. If needed, you can temporarily disable plugins by renaming the plugins folder inside WP content to see if that resolves the issue. If your credentials are correct and the error still appears, the next step is to repair your WordPress database. Go back to your wp-config.php file and scroll down to the bottom. Just before the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy publishing," add the following line of code. Define wp allow repair true. Make sure you place it above that final comment line. Then save the file. Now open your browser and go to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin/maint/repair.php. Be sure to replace yourwebsite.com with your actual domain name. Once the page loads, you'll see two options, Repair Database and Repair and Optimize Database. You can click Repair Database first, and if you want a more thorough cleanup, choose Repair and Optimize Database. WordPress will now attempt to fix any corrupted tables in your database. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's complete, test your website again in a new tab and see if the error has been resolved. Now here's the crucial final step that many people forget. For security reasons, you must remove the repair line you added earlier. Go back to your wp-config.php file and delete the line that says define wp allow repair true. Then save the file again. Leaving this line in place can allow anyone to access the repair page, which is a security risk. At this point, your WordPress database error should be fixed and your site should be back online. You've checked your credentials, repaired your database, and secured your configuration file properly. If this video helped you fix your WordPress database error, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.